We good? Okay, so eh, thank you. Good afternoon, and thank you again for joining us today for Odoo Experience 2023. Just to make sure everyone is hearing us perfectly in the headsets. Yep. So my name is Tony Farhat. I'm the managing director of Plennix Technologies. We're an Odoo Gold partner and a partner. We're providing services in GCC, mainly in UAE and MENA region. So today we will be discussing our new product that we have released, which is a VanGO application, one of the applications that aim to streamline all your outbound and delivery and logistics processes. As of Plennix Technologies, this is the country where we are available. I would just like to, for you to take this QR code in case you have questions at the end of the session so we can take you through. So VanGO app is one of the applications that we have developed on top of Odoo, available on Odoo 16, and now we will be releasing on Odoo 17. It aims to streamline all your processes for delivery management and for your van retailing processes. Before we start in details, we will take you through a quick video that will highlight the need and the pain that VanGO covered.
We know that sales are the driving force behind your business's success. Plennix Technologies proudly introduces the VanGO sales application. VanGO application includes cash and credit sales, pre-sales operations, direct store delivery, home and office delivery, payment collection, stock and inventory, with a set of dashboards and KPIs. The application will enhance the efficiency of field employees involved in sales, distribution, delivery, and collection. It enables organizations to embrace sales automation when sending vehicles, visiting customers, and delivering goods. Supervisors have the capability to create and schedule routes and monitor the activities in real time. Your van salesperson can easily make mobile attendance, record trip expenses, stock loading request, stock unloading request, stock availability check, receipt printing, customer credit status, customer buying history, contact details, geo-based check-in and check-out, capture signature and images. VanGO dashboards provide you with detailed data insights and fast-loading real-time reports that show sales summaries, stock summaries, sales performance, and allow you to monitor the progress of your entire fleet. VanGO, your ultimate van sales solution.
Is it working? Yeah, you can hear me. So basically, as you have seen, this is an application that will cover mainly the outbound operations. Considering the supply chain processes, we're talking about the procurement, the stocking in your own distribution centers, but then you have the sales channels. One of them is your in-store, which use the point of sale. Other one is the pre-sales, and then you have your own deliveries. And one is the van retail operations, where vans with the van salesman, they can go and carry on their goods, sell on the spot, but it's way beyond that. There are offers, bundles, customer relationship management, where they have to take action, and VanGO application supports all those processes and is directly integrated with the backend of Odoo. So it's built on top of Odoo and it will integrate with a lot of applications. So we will have a quick look on the 360-degree view of VanGO. First of all, the CRM. So we have customer info, customer connect, and customer review. So from the first icon of VanGO, you can create new customers. You can access with the back office to check if they have any issue with their credit sales. You can directly integrate, directly communicate with them through WhatsApp using the new WhatsApp module. And you can have the direct Google Map integration. On top of the Google Map, we have the routes optimization. And for the routes optimization, VanGO will allow you to classify and to order your delivery order based on multiple criteria. Then you have the merchandising process. So whenever the van salesman is in store, he will check in, he will check out, he will take pictures of your items, that how they are being shelved in the store, and this will be reported to the back end as well. For that purpose, VanGO uses the applications Contact, Discuss, WhatsApp and Map, and CRM from Odoo. So those are directly integrated with Odoo core applications. Next is the sales. So the main purpose of VanGO mainly is the sales. We have mainly three big chunk of tasks: sales, invoicing, and IoT. In terms of sales, we use the POS and the sales application. We have the product catalog that is available directly, direct quotations, sales orders, and rebate system based on specific criteria. We have the invoicing in terms of direct invoicing, credit note, and custom layouts for each customer. And all of this is from the Van application. And the IoT, so the Van salesman will have a mobile printer, and he will have with him as well a barcode scanner on the device itself to scan automatically the barcode and to print the direct invoice to the customers. For that purpose, we're using sales, invoicing, IoT, and accounting applications. Then we have the product, which is the core. So every salesman for the VanGO will behave as a main or mini warehouse, and in the same time a customer. So he loads his goods from the warehouse, and then he trades with the end customers, and then he will offload his items. So for the product catalog, he has visibility on the must-selling SKUs, the slow-moving SKUs, and the recently added SKUs. You can control all those vans from the back end by publishing items, publishing offers and bundles. Then you have the offers and bundles, promotions, loyalty, gift card, and e-wallet, and those are the same modules of Odoo. So whatever you configure in the backend, which is available on your website, available in store, it will be also available in the van. And if you want to make some offers only for the van or some bundles only for the van, you can specify it. And then we have the dynamic sales target for salesman. Whenever they are going, they have items in the van, but they want to hit specific target by SKU, by category, by bundle, or by brand. All those are configurable options in the backend of VanGO. For that, we're using inventory, products and price list, coupons, and documents management. Then we have the inventory. So for the inventory, VanGO have visibility on all the items that they are low in stock with push notifications and reminders. We have non-moving items and mainly lots and expiries. So this is one of the issue where people, they load items in their van, but they should not do a cycle count each and every time. With VanGO, they can have reminders of having some items that they should be replaced in the main distribution center. And then we have the stock loading. So we can load items from the stock warehouse based on minimum and maximum and the replenishment rules. But we also have the inter-van transfers. So vans on the way, they can do transfers between each other without referring, because some vans, they may have non-moving items that they are requested from other van, which will help them in transferring the item between the vans. And last, we have the return and RMA. So one of the main issue now in the supply chain, you return the items, then you have to send them to the warehouse. And after sending them to the warehouse, you have the quality team doing the inspection and quality check in the warehouse before confirming the return. This process now can be done in van. So now upon return, they can take a picture, they can do quality check before loading the items in the van. They can confirm the return, and then they will approve it by the back office. So while loading the returned items, the back office will be notified, and he will have full visibility through pictures and confirmation from the van salesman. For that, we're using inventory, product availability, approvals management, and quality. And everything is based on automation and notification, because it will require immediate action for people to respond from the back office. Last one is for the accounting. So again, as we said, the van salesman, he's a mini warehouse, but he's also a customer that will trade with the back office. So there's account receivable, there's ongoing inventory with his hand, and that should be reflecting automatically on the back end. That's why we need to embed all the accounting application in the van. So that salesman, he can sell, he can collect payment, but he can also deposit in the banks. So the full workflow from the collection, including the bank integration wherever applicable, we have the checks payment and the cash management. All this is in van handled. Then you have the cash deposit, check deposit, and you have the reporting at the tablet with the van salesman. Overdue invoices that they should be collected today, bounced checks, and collection schedule. So the back office can do a collection schedule. Whenever he's visiting the client, he will know that you are in a radius where we can collect money, and he will be notified accordingly. For that, we're using accounting, invoicing, on-site payment and picking, and point of sale. So as you can see, all the applications that VanGO is using are mainly Odoo core apps, but with a new interface. That's it in terms of functionality. Those are the functionalities of VanGO. And for the pricing, it goes into two models. One is monthly per van, and per active vans. Any van that is not doing sales transaction will not be charged. We have yearly billing, we have monthly billing, and based on the transaction, anyone that is doing transaction will be billed accordingly. For yearly, we can have lower price, which is the Super Saver. It goes in $29 per month per vehicle. So whenever you add more vehicle, you can license those vans and you can use the application on the go. Okay, so that's it from our side. In case you need to contact us, the QR code will let you submit all your inquiries. I will go back to the initial slide just to share the pad QR, just in case you have any questions. I will just open the. Okay. Thank you, Muhammad Faraj. So for which version is it available? Currently, it's available on V16 and V15, and hopefully in the upcoming 2 to 3 months, it will be available on V17 once we have the code of Odoo 17. VanGO is a mobile app. Is it available for Android? Currently, the application is a web-based application. Both mobile for Android and Apple, they are being under development and they will be submitted to the store very shortly. They will be available and connected directly to your Odoo instance. Your app is available Office? I don't know if I got the question. And I'm not sharing my screen, right? Just 1 minute. Yeah. So, sorry, offline. So the application in the core, it uses the POS application. And as you know, Odoo already supports Odoo, the offline mode. So our application in some area for the sales supports the offline mode, but in other areas that are related to runtime collection due, runtime information, it's not available for sure, and it needs you to connect to the internet. Any idea on the customer ROI and KPIs improvement? So in terms of ROI, considering the price, it's highly achievable. In terms of KPIs, mainly at the route optimization, it's working very fine. Stock management, you don't have non-moving items. It's reduced the number of stock that is aging in your van. And for the collection, it will help a lot because you have already people going to the store so they can collect the money, so it will reduce the time. How does it work concerning routes optimization? So mainly the integration is not with OpenMap, it's with Google Map. We have developed the APIs for the integration with Google Map, and it takes the main distribution center. So every van, because you have a lot of companies, they come with different distribution centers, each van separately. So every van will have a main center, which is the main center from Google Map, and we have the geolocation of the customers that they are being captured by the salesman whenever they shop. Later on, once we have the database up and running and all the geo information captured, the system will be able to do the route planning based on the distribution center location, and it will take into consideration distance and traffic. So those two considerations. Sometimes, and the calculation is being done upon each delivery. So maybe you did the first delivery, then the next destination is not available because there's traffic. He will suggest other routing. Is there any online demo to test it? There is a demo instance to test it for sure, but that will go through our team. So anytime you contact us, you will have a free, I think, a free POC from our side. One consultant who will be connecting with you, and he will go through a live demo for you. Any other questions so far? Okay, I think we're good. We'll give it another 5 minutes just in case anyone is having a question. Otherwise, we're done.
everybody. So here is the end of the talk. So
Yeah.
thank you very
Thank you
much.
so much. Thank you. Thank you, guys.